Hey brother, how you doing?
What's up?
What are we doing today?
We're playing with expensive toys.
Oh boy.
That's your CPU.
Oh wow.
This is a GTX 1080 Ti, 11 gigabytes GDDR5 memory. So this is what happens when you spend premium cash on a freaking full modular power supply. That right there is what I've been rocking in all my systems for a while. Yeah, that ain't shit.
Alright guys, so we just got back from Fry's because we bought the wrong cooling system. So we got the right one and we're gonna continue this motherfucker right now.
Our new TR4 compatible cooler system by Enermax. Because the Thermaltake one you need to buy a bracket for, and it doesn't come with it, so that's fucking useless. So what we got going on here?
Well, we had to switch up the fan system, and doing so, this little plastic piece here, right here, she's got to be snapped apart. So we're gonna drill a bunch of little holes through her, and then use the muscles to rip her apart.
So basically what we're saying is when you spend like $8,000 on a computer, you're gonna hack the shit out of it.
Alex, what are you doing? You have a pair of pliers in your hand.
Breaking shit.
Alright, let's see it. Oh my god!
Can I tell you how nerve-wracking this actually?
Nah.
Like, I'm not Linus Tech Tips, so I don't have to do this all the time.
Nah, it'll be fine. You got it. There you go. There it is. Woo! Yeah! Alright! We did it!
What's up? As soon as this goes on and it posts,
We're good.
I will be
And then when do you test the post?
shortly.
Okay.
For the guys at Be Quiet, it's an awesome concept for this case. Some of the execution when throwing a big ass fucking motherboard and power supply in there, at least a little bit desired.
How the fuck you doing right now?
Trying to make it fucking work. It's not going very well.
Guys,
What are you about to do?
we're gonna plug her in. If I get electrocuted, Danielle, life insurance?
Hold on, what's it with?
Oh boy.
Well, I got my assistant here, as you can see, he's gonna help me do it.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go, bud. You ready? You overseeing this? Alex, you ready?
No. Ready to win again. Get her rig. Oh, we got lights.
Oh my god.
The brand's alive. Damn, I didn't realize that RGB in the room. Okay, so turn the monitor on. Now for the ghettoest of ghetto parts here. Take the camera. Hold on. We gotta do something here. You're not gonna like this.
What?
I promise this is not nearly as sketchy as it's about to look.
Dude, I should unplug it.
No, you have to do this.
Are you sure?
So, for all my computer people out there, you know what I'm about to do.
What the fuck are you about to do?
Turn it on.
Oh my god!
No, I don't like the postcode. What did it do? Son of a bitch.
Is that good or bad?
It's alive.
Alex, is that good or bad?
Fucking kill it, yeah.
Dude, I'm freaking out, babe. I'm fucking freaking.
Hi.
Because this has been a journey. You don't even know the shit we've fucking done. Rigging this fucking thing. Freaking out. Uh-oh. He's got another gadget.
Corsair Gaming sponsored. No, not really.
Look at him. He's into the settings. Look at him. He's fucking shaking. Look at his hands.
Yeah, they probably are actually. I wouldn't fucking doubt it.
Look at him. He's convulsing.
Also would believe that. Sometimes when you're building shit, you gotta check your Insta. The Mario says he wanted me to talk about the fans. Well, they're huge. They're the fucking best fans. In reality, fan controller that they included with this thing.
You're not gonna put that in your edit.
You wanna bet? No balls. Doing it. No, the fan controller they included is an awesome concept. and it's a fucking piece of shit. Oh, she just sent me a friend request. That's progress. You know what? I'm fucking done with Windows, huh? Fucking Windows sucks. I just did this already.
What the fuck with this piece of shit?
Yeah, see, hold on a second. We'll be back in a fucking minute.
There she is. The one and only IZZO Pro's new system built by the one and only 702 Visuals.
What up? I'm really fucking tired.
Why?
Fucking 1:43 in the morning.
And what are you gonna do tomorrow morning?
We get up at 5 today and go to fucking work.
Was it worth it for you to build this piece of shit and go to work that early?
It was worth it, but it wasn't worth dealing with that motherfucker behind the lens.
Who's this motherfucker?
Damn, that's a wide angle. Oh my god.